Hello friends, welcome back to Poongudi's channel. Today I'll teach you a beautiful border embroidery with simple embroidering stitches. For this I am using these three color threads. These are anchor threads and you can note down the numbers for these colors. At first we shall put a straight line along the border and then we shall mark points for every 1 centimeter interval. And now take your scale and mark a cross line like this which will be 1 centimeter in length, one on your left side and one line on your right side for every point. And now we shall start with green for the leaves. I have taken 3 strands from this thread, put a knot at the end and start for 1 centimeter. You put a chain stitch like this and again near the chain stitch you put another stitch, and this is the buttonhole stitch, which we also call as wheel stitch, and once again you put another one buttonhole stitch starting from the same point. Totally I am going to put 4 stitches in each side, and this is the 4th stitch. And after the 4th stitch you finish the stitch and go to the first point and put a lock for the first chain. And now we shall start once again. Put a chain like this for 1 centimeter, and on the other side you put 4 buttonhole stitches, which is also called as wheel stitch. And after the 4th stitch we shall finish it and come to the line and finish the chain so that it will not move. And once again we shall put 4 stitches on the other side like this. And after the 4th stitch finish the stitch and go to the border line, lock the chain and once again start the next stitch, put 1 chain and then put 3 more stitches on the other side. And now we shall finish the stitch and come to the center. So I have finished it continuously throughout the line. And now for the flowers I am using this pink. In this thread also I have taken 3 strands in an embroidering needle, and we shall start now to put the flowers in these slanting lines. Start at the end point. Put a small straight stitch like this and come out in front of the previous stitch and go back to the end point. Pull back. Now straight to the previous stitch. Put a slanting line like this and now put another slanting line on the other side, and this stitch is called as fern stitch. I have shared the links for this fern stitch, wheel stitch and buttonhole stitch in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. Now we have finished the flower in one slanting line, and next we shall go to the next slanting line on the other side. So in this same method, let us finish all the flowers with this fern stitch. And after finishing these fern stitches, we shall put small chains in the tip of each flower with this light rose. I am using this light rose and I have taken 3 strands in this light rose, and we will just put a single chain at the tip of each flower. In this same way, we shall finish all the flowers, and after finishing all these flowers, we shall attach some beads in the center in a row. For attaching these beads, I am going to use this white machine thread. I have taken double thread for this and just insert at the bottom of each flower and a leaf. Just insert the bead in the needle. Take very thin needle for this and attach here. In this same method, we shall attach in every flower a bead like this. You can also put 2 stitches for each bead so that it will be secured properly. See here, once again I will stitch another bead for you at the base of the flower and the leaf. Put 2 stitches. Once again we shall insert through the bead and secure it properly. And now we have finished the border design. I hope you are clear about these stitches, and please comment in the comment section. I am always ready to clear your doubts. If you like this video, share with your friends, and for all other videos, click on the links given in the description. If you have not subscribed for Poongudi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you.